What's up, YouTube, and welcome back to our channel. And today I'm doing another iPhone 11 Pro Max case collection. I have 6, it should have been 8. I lost one and the other one didn't come in. I'm also going to announce the $100 winner at the end of the video, so stay tuned. So all right, let's go ahead and get into it. My first case is brown and a light brown, and it has like triangles, and I loved it because it came with this teddy bear. It's kind of like a keychain. I think I'm gonna take off the teddy bear. It is detachable. And all of the cases that I have, as usual, I'll go ahead and put the links at the bottom as well. I thought this was super cute. Like, if Jordan sees it, then she's gonna take it away from me, but I love it. So the next case I have, it is black and silver with a bumblebee on it, and it's glitter, and it's a rough material, but I love just the design and the bumblebee as well. The next case I have is a Christian Dior inspired case, and it's burgundy. And it has like a little pocket where you can put, like, I guess your like bank card or something in there. I thought that was super cute as well. And it has the D on there in gold. And again, it's burgundy. And the next case I have is a Louis Vuitton inspired wallet case. And it's like this. It comes with the strap. And this is the back. And then it's like, it's kind of, I don't know if it's magnet. Is it magnet? It does like that. And you open it. And then it has the, where you can put your ID and some bank cards in there as well. I think it's super cute. The next case I have is just all rhinestones, and I love it. I just have to watch it with Jordan because she'll pull them off, but I think it's super cute. I hope the rhinestone stays on. And my last case is another Louis Vuitton inspired case, and it's white, and it also has a pocket. I can't get in this pocket. I don't know how you get it. But it looked like a pocket. You probably could put one card in there. I think it's super cute. All right, and the winner of the $100 is Makia Nesbitt. I'm gonna leave your name. I'm gonna also make it big where you can see. Please contact me by DM on Instagram. I'll leave all the links as well, and congratulations. And thank you all so much. We've hit 1,000 subscribers. I think we have like 1,300 now. We really appreciate everything from y'all and the support. And we got some great videos coming up. So just stay tuned, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye.
Yeah.